Hey guys, my name's Ace, and today I'm going to go over how to customize your Go High Level dashboard for your agency. It's pretty simple. I actually wrote up an entire Google Doc about how to do it with step-by-step instructions, with notes, links, and everything like that. So it's pretty easy. We'll go by that. So first, you want to go to Settings on the left-hand side. Yours may be a little different, but it's always going to have Settings on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click that. And then you're going to go to Agency Settings. If you scroll down, see this box that says Custom CSS. That is the box that we're going to be putting in our custom dashboard settings. So how this basically works, if you're using Google Chrome or Firefox, it should all work the same. But you can just right click on any element that you want to customize and inspect it. So for instance, this header bar up here, it's white. We want to change its color. So I can right click on it, hit inspect right here, click inspect, and then your box and stuff might be laid out a little bit differently. Sometimes at the bottom, sometimes they're on the side, but it's basically all just the same thing. There's just different layouts on how to do it. If you hit right here, you go to bottom. So you see how when you mouse over, things change. So I'm actually going to move this, and we have our header bar up here. It says H1 underscore header agency, and if we move our mouse over it, it switches. So that means we're in the right spot because that's what we want to change. Now on the right hand side over here under styles, there's all these different CSS styles. So what we want to do is find H1 header, and in this example we're going to be changing the background. So right now it's white, which is the number sign or hashtag symbol FFF. Now you can grab, there's tons of different websites to grab the like CSS code. You can do it in Photoshop, Illustrator. I have a link right here that will help you. This is just a random one, and you can use any website you want to help you find the color. Let's say we want to make it red, right? So we get the hex color right here, hex code. Just copy that, and we can just paste it right here. Hit enter, and there you go. See how it changes? Now to make those changes stick and stay, we're going to go back over here to the header. Make sure you have it selected, and see right here it says header and background. So I just want to copy from there all the way up to the CSS tag, and just Control C or copy, and we're going to paste it right here. Okay. Now I didn't paste the ending bracket, but you need to go do that. Now one of the most important things to do, and I have it noted right here, is you want to make sure whenever you're doing changes that you add this CSS code right here. So exclamation mark important, and then in semicolon. So we'll copy that, and I'll put this in the description as well. But let's make sure we apply that so that it overrules the default custom CSS. So we're going to press update company, then go refresh your page, and it should stay red. And there you go. And that's pretty like basic and simple. And you can do this with any element. So you can do it with gradients as well. So if you typed in CSS gradient picker, and see how this has a dark blue to light blue, and it gives you the code here. We can copy all this, Control C, and then change out this right here, paste it in there, press update, refresh your page, and it changed. Super simple, and you can do this with almost every element that's on this dashboard. This background right here, you can right click, inspect, and it says this is a drop down toggle box, and you can come over here and you can find the background, and it says it's white, so you can find another color. Maybe you want it to be this color, right? Just an example, and just paste it in there and see how it changed. And that's just a bad example of picking the color, but you can change almost every element that is on the dashboard with the CSS and make it really custom to you and your company. Again, I made a Google Doc that goes in detail about how to change things, where to put it. This is just a quick, really simple video about how to do it. If you still having any trouble, feel free to message me, or if you need us to do it for you as a service, we can also do that as well. But guys, that was pretty simple about how to change your custom CSS on your Go High Level dashboard. Let me know if you have any trouble at all. I'll be glad to help you out.